Today's healthy summer dinner ideas are fresh, delicious, and family approved. Now, whether you choose to cook these in the kitchen or fire up the grill to cook some of the ingredients, these recipes give you more time for what really matters: family, daytime trips, and pool time. I'm gonna be sharing with you some light summer meals, some family-friendly meals, some no-cook, assembly style, super easy, and of course, some side dishes that you can whip up if you're grilling up a bunch of proteins. First, let's check out some light summer meals, which I often include inside of my weekly meal plans. Now, you'll notice that they are packed with fresh, seasonal ingredients that are easy to find. Like these veggie kabobs, no matter what you choose to skewer, they're always a winner. I'll make sure to link my veggie marinade for you below this video so yours can turn out super flavorful and delish. Now, bell peppers, any color, are always great in the summer because they're easy to find, and one recipe that I love making are bell pepper nachos. Now, using bell peppers as the base, you can load them up with ground beef or turkey and salsa, then slide them in the oven for a few minutes, then load them up with cheese and olives, put them back in the oven, melt the cheese, and then load them up with sour cream and guacamole. Another quick and easy light meal is my mango shrimp stir fry. You're gonna cook the onion in a large skillet. You are gonna add some garlic, soy sauce, lime juice, sriracha, and then your shrimp. The shrimp cook really fast, so in just a minute or two, you're gonna add the diced ripe mango, stir around to release the juices, and you're ready to serve it over rice. Now remember that I'm gonna add the links to all of the recipes that I'm gonna share with you below this video. But I wanna share with you one of my family's favorite recipes, like this avocado chicken. Oh my gosh, chicken breast marinated in lime juice, add a little seasoning. They're grilled to perfection outside on the barbecue or inside in a pan, topped with fresh avocado salsa. Yep, grab this recipe for sure. One recipe I make year-round is my sheet pan sausage and peppers. Whether you pop the sheet pan in the oven or use a grill pan to hold your veggies and sausage, you're gonna love serving this over a salad or with rice. Now, my avocado salmon bowls, they never disappoint. And whether you use the oven or the grill to cook your salmon, this recipe is always delicious and never dry. For an extra dash of awesome, I love drizzling my spicy mayo right over the top. Now friends, I also have some no-cook summer dinners for you. One of my favorites is this Caprese Salad, which is quick to assemble, and if you have leftover chicken, now you can have a complete meal where all you have to do is drizzle my balsamic vinaigrette over the top, toss it around, and have a delicious summer meal. I am a big fan of sandwiches because they require little to no cooking and the possibilities are endless. My avocado egg salad sandwich is one that you can make by mashing up some ripe avocados. You add some yogurt, lemon juice, seasonings, and then adding your chopped hard-boiled eggs. It's fresh, easy, and delish. If grilling up some proteins on the barbecue is your thing, I've got some fabulous side dishes you're gonna wanna try, like my watermelon and feta salad. This recipe is a classic and the citrus vinaigrette comes together in a matter of minutes. Another one of my favorites is the sweet potato salad. It's a twist on the classic with a lot more flavor, and it will surprise your taste buds, guaranteed. If any of these recipes sounded like something you want to whip up this summer, I've linked all of them for you in the description box below this video. And while you're down there, click that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.